culmination of 10 years of collaborative work between multiple emergency response agencies in the area. Certainly current events now, also landslide, the potential for oil trains, the terrible disaster in France. All of these things tell us we need to work more collaboratively. This is Snohomish, King, Pierce County, the State Patrol. So 20-some different agencies are working together. In the event that there were an emergency, can we move material and personnel by air if there are no other access routes available? The Port of Seattle is really the sponsor of this. It's a great facility to be able to conduct the drill. So this is a real positive step in the direction of being able to have multiple ways to respond, by land, by water, or by air.
Was there a scenario attached to this?
This scenario is specifically on lifting static loads, not personnel. Now they will be doing some hoist exercises here as the next round, but the focus is moving, the primary focus is moving material. Also a good example, you didn't have any access. How would you get material to that to help our rescuers? So this is the focus of this particular facet of it. There will be other drills focusing on the movement of personnel. We have a device here in this region, 2 of them in fact, that can move 10 people at a time on what's called an air tap. It's like an upside umbrella. So each of these drills builds better coordination. It's not just the helicopters, it's the people on the ground, it's the logistics, and it's the coordination between the agencies.
What kind of materials are you referring to specifically? Tell us a little bit more about what the training exercises consisted of.
Right. There are multiple loads here. An interesting thing about these rotary wing aircraft is they can lift more the longer they're in flight because they lose their fuel drawdown. In this particular instance, we're moving flat-bottom flood rescue boats, we're moving medical materials, we're moving tools and search and rescue materials in 3 different payloads, all of them put together and lifted out over the bay and back, which could be a scenario where we would have to come from a land base over the water. Additionally, in the event that there were a marine emergency, we could move materials onto a vessel and move our personnel, both police and fire, onto a vessel to assist.